will come back to my channel.
Today we're going to learn about daily routine vocabulary in part 2 of our series. Play games. I play video games after dinner. Water plants. I water the plants in the garden. Sing songs. Sing songs. I sing songs with my family. Dance. I dance in my room for fun. Read. I read a bedtime story before sleep. Say goodnight. I say goodnight to my family. Go to bed. I go to bed at 9 p.m. Sleep. I sleep peacefully through the night. Wake up. I wake up early for school. Stretch. I stretch when I wake up. Run errands. I run errands with my parents. Exercise. I exercise in the morning to stay fit. Take a nap. I take a nap after school. Call family. I call my grandparents in the evening. Get dressed. I get dressed for school every day. Wear shoes. I wear my shoes before going outside. Plan the day. I plan my day with my mom. Make the bed. I make my bed every morning. Pick up toys. I pick up my toys after playing. Sweep. I help sweep the floor with Mom. Visit. I visit my grandparents on weekends. Play with my pet. I play with my pet in the backyard. Clean the room. I clean my room every weekend. Study math. Study math. I study math before exams. Draw with crayons. I draw with crayons during art time. And help Dad. I help my dad fix things around the house. Bake cookies. I bake cookies with my mom. Fix puzzles. I solve puzzles during playtime. Wear uniform. I wear my school uniform every day. Wash face. I wash my face before bed. Tie shoes. I tie my shoes before leaving the house. Button up. I button up my shirt after getting dressed. Zip up. I zip up my jacket before going outside. Eat fruit. I eat fruit as a snack. Read out loud. I read my books out loud for practice. Pack lunch. I pack my lunch before school. Feed the fish. I feed the fish in the aquarium. Clean the table. I help clean the table after meals. Drink juice. I drink juice during snack time. Draw shapes. I draw shapes in my workbook. Clean up. I clean up my toys after playing. Play tag. I play tag with my friends outside. Count numbers. I count numbers during math class. Learn new words. I learn new words every day in school. Practice spelling. I practice spelling my words before tests. Go for a walk. I go for a walk with my dog every evening. Build a fort. I build a fort with pillows in the living room. I say thank you when someone helps me. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more kids learning videos, please like,